realme NARZO 80 Lite 5G, the budget powerhouse? Hello and welcome to the channel, where we help you find your perfect smartphone. Today, we are taking a close look at a new contender in the budget 5G space, the realme NARZO 80 Lite 5G. With an attractive price tag and some seriously impressive specs on paper, including a massive 6000 mAh battery and 5G connectivity, is this the phone you should be buying? Let's dive deep and find out. Display. Kicking things off with the display, the realme NARZO 80 Lite 5G sports a 6.67-inch HD Plus IPS LCD with a resolution of 720x1604 pixels. While the HD Plus resolution might feel a little low for some, what makes this display stand out is its blazing fast 120Hz refresh rate. This means that everything from scrolling through social media feeds to navigating the user interface feels incredibly smooth and fluid. It's a premium feature that you don't often see in this price segment. The screen also features a punch-hole design for the front camera, giving you a modern, immersive viewing experience. With a peak brightness of 625 nits, it's fairly decent for indoor use, but you might find it a little challenging to read under direct sunlight. Design. In terms of design, Realme has opted for a sleek and stylish look. The NARZO 80 Lite 5G has an ultra-slim profile, measuring just 7.94 mm in thickness and weighing in at a comfortable 197 grams. The crystal purple color variant we are looking at is particularly eye-catching, giving the phone a premium feel. But it's not just about looks. This phone is also built to last. It comes with an IP64 rating for water and dust resistance, protecting it from splashes and everyday dust. What's more, it boasts military-grade durability, having passed rigorous shock resistance tests, which adds a layer of reassurance for users who might be a little clumsy with their phones. Processor. Under the hood, the realme NARZO 80 Lite 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 5G processor. This is a capable 6nm chipset designed for budget-friendly 5G devices. Paired with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, it handles daily tasks like browsing, social media, and multitasking with ease. You can even expand the RAM virtually for even smoother performance. While it's not a gaming beast, it can handle light to moderate gaming without any major hiccups. The processor is also quite power efficient, which works hand in hand with the large battery to ensure you get through your day. Camera. Now, let's talk about the camera. The realme NARZO 80 Lite 5G features a single 32MP rear camera. This is an interesting choice, as most phones in this category come with a multi-camera setup. While the high-resolution primary sensor captures decent photos with good detail in well-lit conditions, the absence of an ultra-wide or macro lens limits its versatility. On the front, you get an 8MP selfie camera. The video recording capabilities are standard, with support for 1080p at 30 frames per second from both the front and rear cameras. For a casual user who primarily uses the camera for quick photos and social media, it gets the job done, but it won't impress photography enthusiasts. Operating system. The phone runs on Realme UI 6.0, which is based on the latest Android 15. The UI is generally clean and user-friendly, offering a host of customization options and smart features. A standout here is the Smart AI Assist, which uses artificial intelligence to enhance your daily usage, from intelligent task management to an AI-powered signal adjustment for better connectivity. Connectivity. As the name suggests, 5G is a key feature here. The realme NARZO 80 Lite 5G supports multiple 5G bands, ensuring you get a fast and reliable connection on 5G networks in India. In addition to 5G, you get Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, and a USB Type-C port. The presence of a 3.5mm headphone jack is a welcome bonus for those who still prefer wired audio. It also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for secure and quick unlocking. Price in India. The realme NARZO 80 Lite 5G is an incredibly compelling option in the budget segment. The 6GB RAM with 128GB storage variant is priced at a highly competitive 9,898 rupees. This makes it one of the most affordable 5G smartphones on the market with these specifications. The value for money proposition is undoubtedly strong, especially during a sale where you can find it for an even lower price. Final verdict. So, what's the final verdict on the realme NARZO 80 Lite 5G? Strengths. The phone's biggest selling points are its massive 6000 mAh battery, a super smooth 120Hz display, and the future-proof 5G connectivity. The durable, water-resistant design is also a significant plus, offering peace of mind. For its price, it delivers exceptional value. Weaknesses. The compromises are in the camera department, which lacks versatility with a single lens setup, and the HD Plus display resolution, which might be a deal-breaker for some who prioritize sharp visuals. The 15W charging speed for such a large battery is also on the slower side. In conclusion, if you are looking for a reliable, no-frills smartphone that offers an excellent battery life, a fluid user experience, and 5G connectivity without breaking the bank, the realme NARZO 80 Lite 5G is an easy recommendation. It's a practical and powerful device that punches well above its weight, making it a great choice for budget-conscious buyers in the Indian market.